Check out this beautiful Pontiac GTO right here. As original as they come. This car's a original 53,000 miles on it. Factory 4-speed, factory air that works. Just an amazing car all around. It's original two-tone color combination. We have the build sheet proving all that. Numbers matching, 400 4-speed car, what a GTO is supposed to be. Check this car out, original down to the wheels. I think most of the paint is original on this car. Just a stunning example of a true survivor. This is not a restored car, it's a survivor with no rust. Listen to a run. Beautiful car, in and out, bucket seats, center console, air conditioning, like I said, power steering, power brakes. Look at this car. Just a really beautiful example of a Pontiac GTO here. Check us out, HollywoodMotorsUSA.com. It doesn't get much better. Price to sell.